this house is supposed to be. Lentworth Drive. Where is this place, mate? Might be here. I think it's here. It might be this house. I see many flats. Brooklands Court. Lentworth House. Hala Pet Store. Lentworth Drive. So it might be further down. So Lentworth House. This is Brooklands Court. I don't think it's here, mate. There's 7 flats. No, it's not here. Just carry on this road to see if I can find it. Might be this building here. Looks like Scotford Court. No. Maybe there. Oh, maybe here. Maybe those shops. Lake House. Lentworth House. Pet Store. I think it's this one. So I just have to park it here. But it's not good to park here. Hala Pet Store. Yeah, that's the one. So just park on this side here. Just I'll drag the pallet. I don't know if they want on the back. Ah, this guy is going off. That's okay. See, polite. Said thank you, which is quite kind. So just park it on here for a while. Right, mate. So this is the truck. Looks nice, isn't it? Very funny. So I just went in. I gave the notes to the customer. I just asked where does he want his stuff. He just told me drop the pallet in the front of the store. So this is what I will do now. So I'll take the pallet on there and go around, leaving in the back. That's it. I thought that he wants the stuff on the back, but he wants on the front, so no problem. I could have parked in front there, but it's just in the middle of the junction. I don't want to open the back. Box. I don't know if it will stay here. Maybe I'll put it here. At least this box here. Let's see if it will stay. Hopefully. I didn't know that pet food it will be frozen as well, or I don't know if it's something at different temperature. In Romanian, you say liză manuală. That means pump truck, manual pump truck. So this Lisa is actually a name, so we used to have jokes with this name. All the time, if you're a beginner in manual handling, drop the pump track so you'll protect yourself, yeah? Okay. Just, I don't know if it will go there or I have to go around, because I don't know if I'll go onto that slope. These boxes will fall down more than sure. Let's see. It will go. The pallet is not so heavy. Go slowly. Usually I'm staying like that and I'm drag it, you know, so now I'll do an exception because it's not heavy. So just spin it round. Okay, front of the store. We leave some space here for the pedestrian to pass. Then we just grab this and we go. So I just bring back those two thingy because they need to go back. Now I need to go to take my pump truck. So it was like a check with the paper. I told him, mate, I'm not dealing with the money or anything like that. It's okay, just pass it to your depot and it will be okay. Yeah. I really like this pump truck because it's wider, so the center of the load will be evenly distributed, even more